We are going to do a walkthrough of a Detel M-2H double row 44 spindle line boring machine. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. We really like these line boring machines. This one has 2 rows of 22 spindles for a total of 44 on 32mm centers. Boring takes place from underneath for clean boring as chips fall away from your workpiece. Overhead are 2 adjustable pneumatic hold downs. The back fence on this one is nearly 10 feet long and measures 9 foot 10 inches. It also has 2 flip stops. Adjustment of the depth of bore on each head is scaled and is really easy to adjust. Each head is driven by its own 2 horsepower, 220 volt 3-phase motor. Heads have a minimum of 5.5 inches between centers and a maximum of 25 inches from front to back of the machine with numeric readouts and adjustment on the front of the machine. You will also find dual indexing pins, one on the left, one on the right, for when you're boring long panels.